Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make the smartest purchase decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best breathable crib mattress protector on the market, the Newton Baby Waterproof Crib Mattress Pad. Let's talk about what makes this product stand out in a crowded field of nursery essentials. When it comes to baby products, safety and comfort are non-negotiable. And Newton Baby has nailed both. This crib mattress pad offers total waterproof protection while still being impressively breathable. It's designed to shield your crib mattress from moisture, spills, and any overnight accidents, keeping the core clean and dry. That's crucial for maintaining a healthy sleep environment for your baby, especially during those potty training months. But what truly makes this pad unique is its 3D mesh spacer design. Unlike standard waterproof pads that can feel plasticky or stiff, this one features a quilted, ultra-breathable surface. It's 3 times thicker than many competing brands, which means you get better airflow and a cushioned, soft surface without overheating risks. Your baby sleeps more comfortably, and you sleep with peace of mind. You might wonder, with all this breathability, does it still block moisture? Absolutely. The waterproof layer is built beneath the breathable mesh, meaning leaks are pulled away from the skin and locked out of the mattress core. It's a thoughtful combination of protection and comfort. Now let's talk about practicality. If you're a parent, you already know how much laundry a baby can generate. The Newton Baby Mattress Pad is machine washable, and not just once or twice. It's designed to withstand frequent washes while maintaining its plush feel and integrity. You can toss it in the washer over and over again, and it won't lose its softness or effectiveness. Installation is also a breeze thanks to the universal fitted skirt. It stretches securely over any standard crib mattress size 52 by 28 inches, and stays in place without bunching or slipping. Whether you're using it at home or packing it for travel, it delivers a snug, reliable fit every time. And here's another important point. This pad is GreenGuard Gold certified. That means it meets some of the most rigorous standards for low chemical emissions, helping ensure the air quality in your baby's nursery remains safe. Newton Baby's design has been independently tested and proven to allow up to 97% more air circulation than conventional pads. That's a serious commitment to your child's health and safety. Now, we know the market is full of crib mattress protectors, but few offer the same level of engineering and trustworthiness that Newton Baby brings. From the breathable spacer to the waterproof backing, and from easy maintenance to a secure, toxin-free sleep surface, this product checks all the right boxes. It's also worth mentioning that the brand has built a reputation for safety-first innovation in baby sleep products. If you're looking for breathable comfort, reliable waterproofing, non-toxic materials, and something built to last through the chaos of early parenthood, the answer is yes. That wraps up today's critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more no-nonsense product insights. Got a product you want us to review next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.